name is Barry. We're here in Oxnard, California at the Spine and Ortho Center, watching our professional installers do a state-of-the-art solar installation. Now, Spine and Ortho has gone solar because they want to, of course, save money on their electric bill, but they also want to do their part to help save the environment by using clean, renewable energy. Commercial entities have even more benefits than residential for going solar. They still get the same solar tax credits, but they have an ability to take the depreciation, which helps in tax planning for years to come.